Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today's video is a new technique that I learned. I took this color palette, which is the Tetrad color, utilizing red, orange, yellow, blue, green, and violet. And I wanted to take that kind of color palette and create this zigzag. Thanks for joining me, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. All right, well, let's get you down, show you how I did this zigzag. Bye. Hi. Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. Today's canvas is a 24 by 48 and it's only a thin canvas. It's not a gallery wrapped. Today I want to make, taking these colors, this color palette, it's purple, teal, red, orange, and yellow. Purple, violet, whatever color you want. It's actually on the color wheel and it's a Tetrad on the color wheel. And I'd like to make stripes in it using white and black, and then you're gonna take, so you make the stripes like this of the paint, and then you're gonna take a skewer or something sharp, and you will go just back and forth like this. And I thought this was really cool. I've been trying to figure out something to utilize this color palette with, and I think that that will look beautiful. So let's get you going on this. My plan is to do a white stripe, a thin one with a black stripe, and then the color in the black stripe. So I'm going to do white, black, violet, white, black, yellow, white, black, red, orange, white, black, teal, and then I will start back over again. That's my plan. I don't know if it'll work. I'm going to do about 1 inch of white to 2 inches of black with the stripe in the middle of the color. There should be about 14 stripes. So yeah, that's my plan anyway. So I've got my cups over here all ready to go. It's a thicker consistency. Let me show you what that looks like. It's a thicker consistency because I want to make sure that when I do the zigzag through that it stays, it doesn't bleed. And so it's a mound on a mound on a mound thick consistency, probably what you would use for like a ring pour, maybe slightly thicker. So anyway, I've got my white and my black set up. I've got my red orange color. I've got my yellow, all nice and pretty. And then I've got my violet, which I mixed. I made this violet. Got that violet. And I've got my kind of a teal color green. So what I ended up using was mostly Dick Blick's colors, paint. And then I added in this iridescent in there. So Dick Blick's paint with iridescent. And the red orange is the red and the yellow together. The violet is red and phthalo blue or ultramarine blue. And then I did add in a touch of the phthalo blue for that. And then my teal, it's actually this teal color, and then a little bit of ultramarine blue. And then I did add a splash of yellow to it to get it to be kind of a little bit deeper teal. So anyway, those are the colors that we're doing today. All right, let's get you down and let's get started on this one. All right, well, here we go. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.